AI is everywhere. But is it fair? Artificial intelligence is changing everything. From our phones to our hospitals, AI is making decisions. AI can process huge amounts of data. This helps us solve complex problems. But AI is only as good as the data it learns from. This creates ethical challenges. AI systems can inherit our biases. For example, an AI system used for hiring might discriminate against certain groups. This can happen if the data used to train the AI reflects existing biases. We must ensure AI is fair and unbiased. Engineers are on the front lines of this new technology. They have a responsibility to consider the ethical implications of their work. Building fair and ethical AI is crucial for a just and equitable future. Engineers on the front lines. Tough choices in AI. Engineers face difficult dilemmas when designing AI systems. They must balance innovation with ethical considerations. This can be challenging, as there are often trade-offs. For example, an engineer might need to decide how to handle situations where an AI system could potentially harm a user. Should they prioritize safety or user experience? These decisions have real-world consequences. Another challenge is ensuring that AI systems are transparent and accountable. Engineers must strive to create AI systems that are understandable to users. This means explaining how decisions are made and providing mechanisms for recourse. Engineers must be aware of their own biases. They must actively work to mitigate these biases in the design and development of AI systems. This requires ongoing reflection and a commitment to ethical principles. Real-world AI dilemmas, from bias to job security. AI is already impacting our lives in significant ways. This raises many ethical questions. For example, AI-powered facial recognition technology is being used by law enforcement. While this technology can be useful for identifying criminals, it also raises concerns about privacy and potential misuse. Another example is the use of AI in autonomous vehicles. While self-driving cars have the potential to reduce accidents, they also raise ethical dilemmas. For instance, how should an autonomous vehicle be programmed to react in a situation where an accident is unavoidable?